I want to solve the equation sine of 3x plus sine of 2x equals 0, where x is between 0 and 2 pi. Here we don't want to include 2 pi in our answer. In order to solve this equation, we need to use this identity. Let's say I have sine of s plus sine of t. This is the same thing as 2 cosine s minus t over 2 times sine s plus t over 2. So I'm going to replace s with 3x and t with 2x. Okay, so my equation will be 2 cosine s, we said, is 3x, t is 2x, okay, and at this point we can simplify, so we'll get 2 cosine x over 2 times sine 5x over 2. And we want to set this equal to 0. So we have two factors here. We have the cosine x over 2 and the sine 5x over 2. So we're going to set each one equal to 0. Here we don't care about the 2. We could just divide the 2 over. Okay. In order to solve cosine x over 2, I have to look at half of the circle. And why is that? Well, the fraction in front of the x is 1/2. So this tells me look at half of the circle. Because again, x has to be between 0 and 2 pi. Okay. So I'm looking at half of the circle here from 0 to pi. And I'm saying, okay, when is cosine equal to 0? Well, there's only one option, or one place. It has to be a pi over 2. So we're going to set x over 2 equal to pi over 2 and get that x is equal to pi. That's one solution for cosine x over 2. Now let's look at the other solution. We want sine of 5x over 2 equal to 0. And the coefficient in front of the x is 5/2. And this is really 2.5. So we're going to go around the circle 2.5 times. So really, see, that's once, this is twice, and this is a half. Okay. So it's a little confusing, but let's see. We have the coefficient, we have 5/2 x. Okay, now we see when is sine equal to 0. So sine is equal to 0 first time around the circle, right? So that's 0, pi, 2 pi. So this is 2 pi. And then, we go to second time around, it's 3 pi. And then this is where we end. So that's 4 pi. So this is 2 times around the circle, and then another half time around the circle. That leads us here to 5 pi. So in order to solve for x, we have to divide everything by 5 and multiply by 2. Okay, so we're going to take 0, pi, 2 pi, etc., and divide that by 5/2, which is the same thing as multiplying by 2/5, and we get 0, 2 over 5 pi, 4 pi over 5, 6 pi over 5, 8 pi over 5, and really 2 pi, right, for this 5 pi, but we don't want to include 2 pi, right? We said it was including 0 but not 2 pi. So this answer is going to be ignored. And so this is our other solutions. So to put it all together, the solutions to this problem will be pi and the 0, 2 over 5 pi, 4 over 5 pi, 6 pi over 5, and 8 pi over 5. So there are 6 solutions to this.